Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called The Sad Cat by Ahmed Asadid. There was a cute and beautiful cat called Katata. However, she did not like her shape. She grumbled every time she looked in at a mirror. She would spend her time observing other animals. One day she dreams she can fly like a bird, and one day she dreams that she can swim like a fish. One day she dreams that she can run as fast as a cheetah in the woods. Her fantasies prevented her from realizing what she distinguished from other creatures. One day, Katata was playing near the lake. She saw some ducks swimming in the lake. She wished she could swim like a duck. She tried to, but she couldn't swim with her ingenuity. She got angry when she went home. She hoped a rabbit, jumping joyfully and eating carrots. She hoped to become a rabbit, and when she tried to jump like him, she couldn't do it. She said, "I will eat carrots like him." Then, however, it did not taste at her at all. It did not. I will eat carrots. However, it did not like her taste at all. Cats do not like carrots. Katota turns her back home. Turns her back home. She saw a herd of sheep that liked its thick wool and round shape, and she imagined the beauty of her shape if she had become a sheep. She hurried, looking at the claws of a piece of wool. As soon as she found her, she was wrapped in herself, who walked with joy over the herd. But this wool made her feel the heat she couldn't stand. She was sad and removed from her body and fled. The cat walked sad on its way home, without knowing what to do. So she decided to sit under the tree to rest a bit. While sitting, she wanted to amuse herself. She started filling her sweet voice and issuing several tunes. A long giraffe passed by, and another approached, and she said to, "Oh my God, how beautiful is your voice! I wish I had vocal cords that I could sing like you, cat." Katota smiled and raised the sound of her singing from joy what the giraffe told her. It would stand on her face. However, she heard the voice of an old woman demand for help. "Help me, help me, help me!" So she quickly went to the place of sound to find a big snake. She tries to bite this old woman who can't defend herself. The cat quickly jumped and got rid of the evil snake with its powerful claws and kept her away from the old man. The old man rejoiced a lot and thanked the cat what she had done for her, and thanked God for the grace of the cloth that she bestowed on her. After a few moments, the old woman saw a cat, and the cat saw a turtle coming from far away, and he seemed tired. So they asked her, "What is wrong with you, turtle?" She sadly replied, "I heard your voice, my grandmother. I heard your voice, my grandmother, so I came quickly to help you, but I couldn't arrive in time because my movement was slow." Katota thanked God for the speed of her movement in her secret. And grandmother said, "Don't worry about me, my dear turtle. I'm sure I will need your help one day. Every creature in us has a job in its life created to do it." Katota and the tortoise smiled, and with one voice, "Yes, Grandma. We're lucky with what God created us." I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!